Biodefense Mechanisms. Nature is full of dangers. To survive and ensure the reproduction of offspring, animals have the instinct of self-protection. Next, let us note what special defense skills animals have. First, let's get to know the animals that scar their tissues when in danger. Gecko is a perfect example of using these defense mechanisms. The connection between the vertebral bodies of the gecko tail vertebra is relatively weak, so it can easily escape from the tail. Another example is sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers can use their extraordinary regenerative ability to restore organs and tissues, so they will frighten predators by squeezing out their internal organs. Starfish is another common type because the nerves of the starfish are the most slow-moving and cannot correctly measure the temperature of the ocean. The starfish will break the wings to survive. Next, these animals conduct a venom attack when threatened. A typical example is cobra. The venom sprayed contains neurotoxins that can cause intense pain and severely bind predators. Colobopsis sundasis also release poisonous chemicals to attack predators by contracting its abdominal muscles. The bodily fluids of the roof beetle can cause burning pain to the infected animal. Relative to active attack, camouflage is also a very successful defense mechanism. After long-term evolution, sea dragons began to grow camouflage organizations that help them blend in with the surrounding environment. Chameleons have 3 layers of pigment cells. They can change color in various combinations when stimulated by nerves. Stick insects are good at camouflaging among branches and dead leaves to avoid predators. The appearance of the dead leaf butterfly is like a dead leaf, and the inside of the wings is shiny with a metallic luster, which can perfectly deceive the enemy by combining the two.
In addition to taking advantage of the environment, like what we've mentioned above, well-developed musculature can also be a life-saving technique. Frogs have well-developed calf muscles and can escape quickly when they are in danger. Rabbits can reach up to 1 to 3 meters in one jump, which is very beneficial when escaping. Springbok's bones and muscles are so strong that it can withstand sudden turns and easily get rid of predators. Spikes are another kind of physical defense, which is intimidating from a distance and lethal in close combat. When a hedgehog encounters danger, it will choose to curl up into a ball with its spines facing out, thereby reducing the possibility of predation. Although pufferfish itself is poisonous, it is not effective against all natural enemies, so they inhale a lot of seawater at once to swell, causing the spines on their bodies to expand outward. The porcupine does not throw its thorns, which fall off the body easily, and the barbs on the thorns hold the predator firmly. Unless attacked, the spines are generally laid flat on the body. Next, let's take a look at the poor dogs who were attacked by porcupines for being naughty. Smell, the simplest and most straightforward defense mechanism, contains chemicals that can cause predators to react. European roller. The orange chemicals spit out by the chicks serve as a warning to the adults, keeping the population evolutionarily safe in the event of an attack. The material ejected by skunks consists of 7 oily organic components such as sulfide, which can suffocate organisms with excessive amounts. Threatening is another common defense mechanism. 5% of horned lizards manage to raise blood pressure in their brain and then shoot blood from the rupture in the corner of their eyes. When threatened, the membrane of the neck opens and scratches to the maximum, which can act as a deterrent to the enemy. There are always many crises hidden in nature, and these animals rely on their own different defense mechanisms to avoid attacks and escape. In the biodiverse global village, the competition for survival is fierce, and all creatures have their own unique survival mechanisms which are worth exploring and observing. Thanks for paying attention. Hope this project is helpful for you.